So welcome back, guys. So I've got the table up onto the side at the moment, and I've got it all switched and fired up. You can see the BDL here flashing away, the PR3 and the SE8c. So the light here on the BDL-168, you can see the green light that's constantly staying on, and every now and then gives you a bit of a wink. That means it shows me that it's working correctly. So I didn't get a chance to do the video on the wiring of the BD-4, so let's just go there now and have a look. So when I wired up the BD-4, I used the same philosophy with using the 4-core speaker wire going off to the 4 blocks, and I'm also using the Digitrax ribbon cable here. So the gauge wire was quite small, so I decided to convert it through to a heavier gauge and then running that off to the SE8c. So when you get the BD4, they give you this little LED tester here, and you can plug this into to the socket here, and it lights up showing you which zones are being occupied at that time. So this is a great way to just test out to see if everything's working properly. The BDL-168 came with this LED little test light here, and you can plug that into each of the 4 zones of the layout. Now the red light here is indicating that this 4 zones here are being powered. Then the other 4 lights will light up when that particular section is occupied. So this is a great way to test out whether this is working. You simply just pull it out, put it into the other zone, and then you can check the sections as they go around. Okay, so when I first switched on the layout after wiring everything up, it wasn't actually working correctly. There was getting some erratic behavior to the command station. So thinking about the wiring and maybe possibly made an error, I went back and double checked everything, and what came apparent is that the ground wire here, I had it soldered to both top and bottom connections, which is recommended to do on all these other ones. So I simply cut the connection to the lower pin, and now it's only soldered to the top pin, and that seems to have solved all my problems. So the next step for me now will be to start wiring up some of the signals. I've acquired some of the Digitrax signal light system. I've got 2 sets of them and some of the cabling and stuff. It's not enough to do the entire layout, but it's enough to get me started, and that's what I'll be moving on to next. So I guess that's the end of this video, so thanks for watching.